Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 15 incredible flying cars and futuristic aircraft that are pushing personal air travel into a whole new era. From electric VTOLs to jet-powered flying bikes, these amazing innovations could completely change the way we travel in the future. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel. We truly appreciate your support. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us where you're watching from. Now, let's begin. The Supernal SA2 is an electric VTOL aircraft, developed by Hyundai Motor Group's aviation division. Designed for short-range urban transportation, it can carry one pilot and up to 4 passengers. The aircraft uses 8 tilt rotors in a distributed electric propulsion system, providing excellent efficiency and safety through redundancy. It cruises at approximately 120 miles per hour and is optimized for trips between 25 and 40 miles. One of its standout features is its extremely low noise level, making it suitable for operation in busy urban environments. The aircraft incorporates advanced safety systems, redundant flight controls, and a modular battery architecture. The Supernal SA2 represents a significant step toward cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable urban air travel. The Electra E9 is a hybrid electric short takeoff and landing aircraft designed for regional transportation. It can carry up to 9 passengers or significant cargo while operating from runways as short as 150 feet. The aircraft combines a small turbine generator with multiple battery packs that power 8 electric motors. Its innovative blown lift technology dramatically improves takeoff performance and efficiency. The EL9 cruises at speeds of approximately 175 knots and offers a typical range of 330 nautical miles. Certified for all-weather operations, it includes advanced fly-by-wire controls and single-pilot capabilities. Electra's innovative design provides a practical and sustainable solution for regional air travel. The GIC Gove is a futuristic electric flying car designed for both road and air transportation. Developed by Guangzhou Automobile Group, it features a detachable flight cabin and a separate ground chassis. The aircraft portion is powered by 12 electric motors, using distributed propulsion technology for enhanced reliability and safety. Built primarily from carbon fiber composites, the vehicle is lightweight yet durable. The Gove can reach speeds of approximately 80 kilometers per hour and offers a range of up to 200 kilometers. Its intelligent autonomous system supports automated takeoff, landing, obstacle avoidance, and precision docking. Combining ground mobility with aerial capability, the GIC Gove showcases a bold vision for future transportation. The Deroni H1X is a revolutionary electric VTOL aircraft built to transform urban transportation. Constructed from lightweight carbon fiber composites, it combines efficiency, performance, and practicality. The aircraft uses 10 electric motors that power 8 ducted fans for vertical lift and additional propulsion for forward flight. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, it offers smooth, quiet, and stable operation. Its modern cockpit includes a touchscreen interface, joystick controls, and autonomous navigation technology. Advanced collision avoidance sensors constantly monitor the environment for safety. A ballistic parachute and redundant propulsion systems provide additional protection. Designed for quick city travel, the Deroni H1X demonstrates how flying vehicles could soon become part of everyday transportation. The Xpeng land aircraft carrier is a groundbreaking dual-mode transportation system, combining a 6-wheeled electric vehicle with a detachable electric VTOL aircraft. Developed by Xpeng Aero HT, the ground vehicle serves as a mobile platform and charging station for the aircraft module. The flying unit features 6 foldable rotors powered by electric motors and includes a panoramic cockpit for enhanced visibility. Pilots can choose between manual and autonomous flight modes, supported by advanced obstacle detection systems. Redundant communication and power systems improve operational safety. By integrating road and air transportation into a single platform, the Xpeng land aircraft carrier introduces a versatile solution for future mobility. The Archer Midnight is an all-electric VTOL aircraft developed for urban air taxi services. Configured for 1 pilot and 4 passengers, it uses 12 propellers powered by a sophisticated electric propulsion system. 6 tilt rotors provide lift and forward flight, while 6 fixed rotors enhance safety and redundancy. The aircraft cruises at around 150 miles per hour and is optimized for frequent short-distance flights. Rapid charging technology enables quick turnaround times between missions. Advanced flight controls and multiple battery systems improve reliability and operational efficiency. The Archer Midnight is positioned to play a major role in the future of urban transportation. The Deroni H1X is a revolutionary electric VTOL aircraft built to transform urban transportation. Constructed from lightweight carbon fiber composites, it combines efficiency, performance, and practicality. The aircraft uses 10 electric motors that power 8 ducted fans for vertical lift and additional propulsion for forward flight. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, it offers smooth, quiet, and stable operation. Its modern cockpit includes a touchscreen interface, joystick controls, and autonomous navigation technology. Advanced collision avoidance sensors constantly monitor the environment for safety. A ballistic parachute and redundant propulsion systems provide additional protection. Designed for quick city travel, the Deroni H1X demonstrates how flying vehicles could soon become part of everyday transportation. The GOI AirJet is a futuristic electric VTOL aircraft developed to redefine urban air mobility. Built with over 90% carbon fiber materials, it offers an excellent combination of lightweight, strength, and aerodynamic efficiency. The aircraft features a hybrid layout consisting of multiple lift rotors and rear ducted fans powered by 10 electric motors. It can cruise at approximately 155 miles per hour, while providing a range of more than 120 miles per charge. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 4 passengers and includes panoramic windows, ambient lighting, and wireless charging. Advanced radar systems, intelligent sensors, and autonomous navigation enhance safety. With premium comfort and innovative engineering, the GOI AirJet is helping shape the future of electric flight. The Cyotech Cruise is a unique electric flying vehicle that uses advanced cyclorotor propulsion technology. Unlike traditional VTOL aircraft, it can generate thrust in multiple directions without tilting the aircraft. This allows it to hover, move sideways, brake in mid-air, and transition smoothly into forward flight. Designed for urban and suburban travel, the Cruise reaches speeds of around 150 km per hour and offers a range of approximately 100 km. Its 6 enclosed cyclorotors provide excellent maneuverability and built-in redundancy for improved safety. Even if one rotor experiences problems, the aircraft can maintain controlled flight. Compact enough for private garages and small landing areas, the Cruise brings practical personal air mobility one step closer to reality. The Volonaut Airbike is a futuristic jet-powered flying motorcycle created for thrill seekers and aviation enthusiasts. Designed by Thomas Patan, it combines lightweight construction with cutting-edge flight technology. The vehicle is built using carbon fiber materials and custom 3D printed components, making it significantly lighter than a conventional motorcycle. Its open design provides riders with a full 360-degree view while flying. Unlike many flying vehicles, the Airbike features no exposed rotors or wings, enhancing maneuverability and safety. Automatic stabilization and hovering systems make it easier to operate, even for less experienced users. With speeds approaching 200 km per hour, the Volonaut Airbike delivers an exciting glimpse into the future of personal flight. The Bellweather Voler is a sleek electric VTOL aircraft designed specifically for urban air mobility. Its futuristic wingless design incorporates hidden electric ducted fans within a carbon fiber structure, creating a clean and efficient appearance. The aircraft is expected to accommodate 4 to 5 passengers and reach cruising speeds of approximately 135 miles per hour. Designed for short urban commutes, it offers flight durations between 60 and 90 minutes per charge. The Voler's fully electric powertrain ensures quiet and environmentally friendly operation. Advanced engineering allows it to maintain excellent performance while remaining compact enough for city environments. Bellweather's innovative design demonstrates how future aerial transport. The Jetpack Speeder is a jet-powered flying motorcycle designed for high-performance personal aviation. Developed by Jetpack Aviation, it uses multiple turbojet engines fueled by kerosene or diesel. A sophisticated flight computer continuously stabilizes the aircraft, making operation more manageable. The Speeder can reach speeds of approximately 150 miles per hour and remain airborne for up to 30 minutes, depending on configuration. Despite its compact size, it generates significant thrust and can operate from small takeoff areas. Designed for a single pilot, the aircraft combines speed, agility, and futuristic engineering. It represents an exciting advancement in personal flight technology. The pivotal Blackfly is a single-seat electric VTOL aircraft classified as an ultralight vehicle. Because it falls under FAA Part 103 regulations, it can be operated in the United States without a traditional pilot license. The aircraft uses 8 electric motors and propellers arranged in a distributed propulsion system. Constructed from lightweight carbon fiber materials, it offers impressive durability and efficiency. The Blackfly can reach speeds of approximately 62 miles per hour and provides a flight range of up to 40 miles in extended configurations. Advanced fly-by-wire controls and an emergency parachute system improve safety and ease of use. The ACE VTOL Trinity is a hybrid electric aircraft designed for passenger and cargo transportation. Capable of carrying up to 7 passengers or substantial cargo loads, it combines vertical takeoff capability with efficient forward flight. 9 electric motors provide distributed propulsion and enhanced redundancy. The aircraft reaches cruise speeds of approximately 220 miles per hour and offers ranges exceeding 125 miles. An optional hydrogen-powered version further extends operational range. Advanced automation, AI-assisted flight controls, and innovative energy management systems contribute to safety and efficiency. The Trinity's spacious cabin and wheelchair accessibility make it both practical and inclusive. The RISE Recon is a lightweight single-seat electric VTOL aircraft developed under FAA Part 103 guidelines. Because of its classification, it does not require a traditional pilot license in many operating scenarios. The aircraft uses 6 independent electric motors, each powered by its own swappable battery. Its open-frame aluminum construction keeps weight low while maintaining durability. The Recon reaches speeds of around 63 miles per hour and offers flight times of approximately 20 minutes per charge. It can take off and land on both land and water thanks to integrated flotation systems. Easy controls, touchscreen interfaces, and stability assistance technology make the RISE Recon an approachable entry into personal